Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to unbox and set up your HP LaserJet Pro 4001N printer.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
The first step is to open the box and remove the printer from the box. Take off all the protective materials. Next, we'll need to connect the power cord and turn on the printer. All right, we're gonna set up the printer here. Having a setup art and language. For us, it's gonna be English. Hit OK. Select your country and region. For us, it's gonna be the United States. All right, this next step is asking to connect Ethernet or USB, and if you have those, go ahead and connect those now. We're gonna press OK. All right, now it's asking us to load papers. We're gonna go and open up the paper tray right here. Adjust our tabs. Close that. All right, and your printer is all set up. If you are using Ethernet or USB, you should probably get these pages ready to print. All right, we're gonna go to setup and go all the way through setup to reports. We're gonna wanna print the printer configuration. We're gonna print the printer status. And next we're gonna print the network configuration page. Alright, and all these pages right here is gonna have all the info you need about your printer. Everything from the serial number to model number, things like that. And then your network configuration is gonna be everything you need to get your printer set up on the network. Thank you for watching this video on how to get your printer set up. If you're interested, we will have another video in the description on our rating for this printer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.